Let me say something that might surprise you. Most guys think curly hair is all genetics. Either you're born with it or you're out of luck. That's a lie. And today, I'm going to prove it, because in this video, I'll show you 4 real ways to go from straight hair to curly hair. Some are temporary, one is long-term, and one can completely change how people see you. So don't skip this video, because the last method might save you from making a huge mistake. Let's start. The first method is heat styling. Heat styling means using a curling iron or a flat iron to create waves or curls. Before you do this, always apply a heat protectant. Without it, heat slowly damages your hair, and with it, your hair stays much safer. With heat styling, you can choose your look, whether you want soft waves or tight curls, depending on your style. When it's done right, the result looks great, but here's the truth. It is completely temporary. The moment your hair gets wet or the moment you wash it, your hair goes back to straight. This method usually lasts only one day. It changes the look, not the hair, and I don't recommend heating your hair every single day. Now let's talk about the second method, a perm. A perm is a chemical treatment that changes your hair structure. It turns straight hair into wavy or curly hair, and the hair that gets treated will stay curly for months. But here's something important you need to understand. New hair that grows from your scalp will still be straight because your genetics don't change. That's why a perm is called semi-permanent. You enjoy the curls until enough straight hair grows out. So yes, a perm is the most effective and long-lasting way to get curly hair, but it comes with responsibility. Curly hair gets frizzy very fast, so you must take care of it. Without care, curls look dry and messy. With proper care, they look stylish and premium. So remember this, a perm changes your hair, but good care decides how good it looks. The third method is sea salt styling. This method is perfect if you want waves without heat or chemicals. First, wet your hair, then towel dry it until it's damp. Next, apply sea salt spray and scrunch your hair with your hands. Let it dry naturally, and after it dries, use a little texture powder or hair clay to lock the waves in place. The result is a natural, messy, beach-style wave look, and it looks great. But remember, it does not change your real hair texture. The moment you wash your hair, the waves disappear. This style usually lasts only one day. The fourth method is the rubber band curl method. This method uses no heat and no chemicals. But let me be honest with you, it is time-consuming and not practical for daily life. I don't recommend it for regular styling. So why am I telling you about it? Because it's one of the best ways to test how curly hair will look on you before committing to a perm. Here's how it works. Wash and condition your hair, then towel dry it until it's damp. Divide your hair into small sections, twist each section tightly, wrap it into a small bun, and secure it with a rubber band. This part is much easier if someone helps you. Sleep like this overnight, and in the morning, remove the bands. Your hair will look curly, but the moment you wash your hair, it goes back to its natural texture. That's why this method is only for testing, not for daily styling or long-term use. It changes the look, not the hair. So now you know the truth. Straight hair is not your limitation, it's just your starting point. Pick the method that fits your lifestyle, test it, and upgrade your look. Because small changes in appearance create big changes in confidence. And remember this, the world treats you how you present yourself. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss your next upgrade.